This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the very first actions. Create an Azure account, enable billing, and sign in with the Azure CLI so you can script actions. Once done, pick a subscription and create a resource group in the region that matches your data residency and latency needs. Make sure to install Azure CLI and verify with as login and as account show. This avoids UI delays and lets you automate. Now you're ready to provision resources quickly and reproducibly. You provision core resources using templates so changes are safe and auditable. Deploy with ARM or Bicep stored in Git. This ensures repeatability. Then use as VM create or as web app up or as axe create to spin up compute. Include size, image, and networking flags. Once deployed, assign least privilege roles via Azure RBAC and enable managed identities so services authenticate without secrets. Also configure NSGs and basic monitoring. By automating these steps, you reduce manual errors and speed up deployment. You finish by securing, monitoring, and validating your setup. Enable Azure Monitor and a log analytics workspace, then create alerts for CPU, errors, and cost thresholds so you get notified early. Apply backups, update policies, and enforce compliance with Azure policy. If something breaks, check the activity log and use diagnose and solve. Run as monitor logs query to inspect telemetry. One key troubleshooting tip: reproduce the failure with the same resource and time window, then correlate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.